This is the Marshall Minor 4 True Wireless AirPods unboxing.
Ooh.
Directions. This is what it looks like when you open it. We're gonna pop this out. Minor 4. Nice little case.
Ooh. Does it feel nice?
Black and, yeah, it feels nice. Black and gold. They're nice and heavy. Do they look cool in my ears?
Yeah.
Alright, let's connect it.
What else is inside the box?
Quick start guide.
Mm-hmm.
Legal safety.
Is there a charger?
It comes with
Oh. Cool.
USB to USB-C, so you can plug this right into your computer or block.
Cool.
Let's see if we can connect these.
Do you remember how? Don't you need an app or something?
Yes. Well, I think you don't need the app just to connect it.
Oh.
Bluetooth. I should forget the old ones, right?
I guess.
So I don't get confused.
You see it? That's it? What does it say?
Minor 3, but
Yeah,
we
that
have
should
minor 4.
Oh. That's minor 4?
Yeah.
I guess he's trying to connect you to your old ones.
I think you have to.
On this instruction?
It's blue. Minor 4.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, here you go.
Connected. Oh yeah.
It works? Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Pretty cool.
It's loud. Nice. That's not mine. African Bombata. They were using my Spotify today at the theater.
Oh. I can hear it. It's good? I think it stopped because I think it tapped in it. Can I try it?
It's pretty awesome. Here, pop those in. Black's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's loud and clear.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I rate these Marshall Minor 4 model black a 10 out of 10.
Nice.
And they were free. Thank you, Marshalls. Marshall.
That was sponsored.